Samba Onel to Simba XC is going off. Apparently, the deal was supposed to be done and dusted by the end of this transfer window. But transfer window first round, it is most getting over. Elsewhere in Europe, you be a transfer window now. Omutum 31st of January. But Ghana and the Suyatra Yankwa the 16th near 2. In Ghana, as we speak, here 2. But oko elsewhere, Europe, some of the Maghreb countries and Tanzania, money East Africa, money at the other. The second transfer window will still be on until January ends. Na Kotoko ne Simba for no enkomodie. There is a blockage because Simba for no it is not going down well with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Apparently, player in question, Samba Onel, Eddie Kain, Eddie Atuja said, Ono, free obe free Kotoko no, he wants Kotoko to earn something out of the move from Kotoko. Now, the latest information I can say, Simba for no, I imagine say player no on be find free enti omo twentwen omo nan ase till the summer transfer window. By the time when we reach the summer transfer window, contracts between Samba Onel and Asante Kotoko will be over. Then Simba Fono will deal directly with the players' agents. No more attraction out, personal agreement, signing on fees, monthly salary, then a player no as I say abobo ama Simba FC Tanzania. Away the air no. Na Kumasi Asante Kotoko position on this latest development and saying with the Asia Eofi. I'm a chow edino Nazar Hamza with me after me the blog man. I say Super 24 TV. Unsubscribe ya. Now I hit the rest subscribe button also. Now about the man also. Now you build it together. More person mo son ya send on. My number no 0247 10 7260. My number no. O person also media yedi no wa hasia in the form of any support. So wouldn't be a who de would cry now person we executive producer of this particular YouTube channel dedicated for Ghana football and Asante Kotoko stories. Reach out to me. Or pay me a reply. My phone can be a data no on into store my number no super blogman. Na WhatsApp me. Na soya sene na yendi jumano for Krobia Asante Kotoko nti. Yes. Afi the same number no open some to Asante Kotoko reaction no so. Me who Kotoko WhatsApp platform as what they say. Oliver mo tuja wo ho. Jobless mo tuja na ya mo tuja. Me say e wiase afa na nyina continent ni nyina no. Ye wo obi wo ho a owo platform no so. But also Kotokofo etukwan pa. Enti ye nyina ye wo this unified platform ye di Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho nkomo. Abobo ate poi etore bia mateni ye kakra na yasa tenetene ye ho kakra atenie no ye tenetene ye ho enya se ye didi atam se wo maame da bi atenie ye tenetene ye ho ewo WhatsApp platform no so ija no ba na ya pensu nyunu ne ye de aguso semsi anu anya abutre because asamma ya sa sem ni fia but sa ukofa asem ba fia master yentwem ma okra. Now WhatsApp me na me found to so 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260. Now I'm going to go into the stories without wasting any time, any of your data. Now yanko Simba for now I say on me for player no for $180,000 as the signing on fee. But oma deter oma negotiations, no oma deter oma approach, no oma deter the whole move to summer. Because by that time no na Kotoko na wi na oma fa ne free agent. Enti eno na ama Kotoko nso take position say say na tie dia we are still looking for another club for Samba Unel. Enti adie bechi adie besa adie bechi no sa Kotoko na suitable club who is ready to pay for the services of Samba, and provided say Samba is also willing to go to that particular club now. Samba be chat Simba for nabo na okosa club hono. Provided say he's willing and sika semne nyoma no nso eye okay with him obekọ hono, because what the to me no ama Kotoko say Kotoko mpe club standard and mana Kotoko benya kakra nkomodie no hyase yi, but minim agent for no kotutu nsem egu Simba for na sum say player no kra aka ne contract kakra bi no wafiri ho nti munya abotre kakra na emawiye na yenje $180,000 no on say me ogidi ese side we enye me bo suspects say agent for na edisa konkon and the boy no contract na nche bebe wiye enti mu do mu hold on eno na ama Simba for no hold on. Actually oma deter the move to summer. And Kotoko nso ehu ne say negotiations no afall no. Say Simba for no, they are not talking to Kotoko again. That's information I mean. They are not talking to Kotoko again because they are reluctant, and they have assurance from the agent say the contract ne be we ya omo mefa ne for free. Na omo entry signing on fee no emma agency ne Samba na ankasa. Na eno the agency ne Samba de ombe bia no maye na Samba akọ je ne bosumi akatua $10,000 eno ne de ababonte na beda ho anopai na ba mitimi say adentina Samba na mene ne ikase Samba say opose Kotoko nya bibia adentina onko Simba move no na signing on fee no oje a one Kotoko nchi eno so seniors once we zoom kenya bado enti Kotoko for page 4 misam se video epio phone so amondwen no so ho say signing on fee ne ye emu odu kakra at least almost $200,000 enti sanka mo be na ko free no na afi signing on fee no oje a na Kotoko nso ati kakra almost $200,000 enti yemfa say Kotoko nya $80,000 kwa na say $100,000 from the signing on fee anya bad so that me chono pay for me so me mfa we so kwalpim bi